1,000 feet, turn left onto FSA.
Nice. What is up, guys? It's your boy, it's Tanner. Welcome to another video. Today, we will be climbing a mountain. We're here at Mount St. Helens National Park, and I'm excited. I just climbed up a hill away from camp. I'll have to show you that in a minute. We didn't really get any videos setting it up because we did it so fast. It's supposed to rain, so we wanted to get everything done before the rain came, but yeah, it's gonna be a blast. All right, give us the tent tour, Sophia.
Yeah, this is my air mattress, my sleeping bag, and Tanner blanket. It's pretty sweet. We got some walkways on the side. We got some ventilation, some pockets, some pocket holders. You got a little thing up top for your lamp or
You're gonna have to do
flashlight.
it above you, because I can't get it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's pretty awesome. Got me jealous.
Oh, both your guys' tents are orange-ish,
Mine is blue.
but like with orange.
How are... Alright guys, here's the tent setup.
Tent tour.
Here's my zipper. So, pretty simple. Come on. Good enough. You get the gist. We got a sleeping bag and a pillow.
Ooh.
The backpack. Got my pants and stuff. Ooh. There she is. That's crazy we're climbing that. Oh my. That is gonna be wild up there. What are your thoughts on this, Sophia?
Pretty cool.
About climbing it tomorrow?
Let's see if I make it.
It feels so much higher when you're up there. See it.
I noodle went down my shirt.
Looks pretty good.
I'm gonna remove my contacts for the night and put on my super sweet glasses.
Oh, that's pretty super sweet. I wake up super early, so we're hitting the hay. It's about 8 o'clock. See you in the morning.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Hi guys.
How do you sleep, Sophia?
You know,
In your palace.
I can fall asleep pretty fast, so.
Alright guys, I slept pretty good last night. Forgot to record right when I woke up, but got like enough sleep. We'll see once we get on the mountain. Packed up my tent, got everything ready. So now we're just gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna head up. Taking down camp. Alright, Sophia, explain the situation.
Okay, so we got a massive lightning storm right now. We can't go on the trail because there's lightning all around us. So we have to wait until it passes. If we might not.
If it doesn't pass, we don't hike. Apparently we gotta wait like 30 minutes after the last thunderclap or something, so we don't get struck.
Now, if we get separated from them, that would kind of suck.
No, we know our way down the mountain.
Really? None of us. Both of us have never done this.
We just followed the downhill part.
I just go down.
Trying to get lightning on cam. On the camcorder. You're suited up. You're ready to stroll.
Get away.
Baby deer. That's so pretty. You see it? Look.
Oh, it's a video?
There's the top. We are getting so close to the top, guys. Look at this. Look at this. There it is. It's like 9:30. But we're doing it. We're gonna get there.
About 1/3.
Definitely starting to feel a difference in the elevation. I am getting tired. You're down there, walking up. There they are. We're way up here though. Still got a ways to go. We made it up high enough to see the lahar. Look at that. Woo. Pretty soon we'll be able to see more, but they're down there. There's a bird. Alrighty guys, blood sugar dropped. Feeling beat and battered. We are like almost to the summit. But our minds are our worst enemy right now. Self-doubt. Just eating our toes.
No, I think my worst enemy.
What? Sophia's feeling it. Should have brought better socks. Early socks.
The socks are fine. It's the shoe.
His dad just kept going.
Yeah, we're never gonna see him again.
We'll see him on the way down. There's Sophia. She's almost here. Guys, I made it to the top. Pretty good view of the crater. I am so tired. That's probably the worst thing I've ever done. Just mentally. Physically I feel fine, but mentally that was terrible. But I'm happy I did it. Look at this view. You did it, Sophia.
Yay!
Would you do it again?
Mm.
I must say, for the past 2 hours I've been wanting to eat this sandwich. I'm happy I finally get to eat it. That's the only thing. That's the only reason I came up here, because the sandwich motivated me. But now when I eat the sandwich, there'll be nothing to motivate me. No. Oh, one took a tumble. See him down there? No hooligans. Oh, there goes another.
You guys see that guy's in flip flops?
What?
That's wild.
No, it definitely wasn't Campbell's fault.
Alright. Now we head down. They're getting ready, but we're going down. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm actually excited. Just slide down on my feet. Yeah! Good job. Whoa. Like a leprechaun. Oh, this is pretty awesome. There's like a giant crevasse in this glacier right here. They're up top over there. I just took a offshoot. I wanted to see that. I don't know if you guys can see on the video, but there's like blue ice down there. That'd be so scary to fall into. And then look at all these crows. Sweet. It's crazy how fast we got down. Yeah.
Oh. Way down there.
Where?
I'm so sunburnt. My arms are so bad to touch. We still got like an hour left. Trying to make it down to there. We're finally getting to the trailhead that goes into the trees. Just gotta head down there, and then it's 2 miles back to camp. My legs are absolutely cooked. I'm very tired. Sophia's up there. She's also very tired. But I just can't wait to get down there. It's gonna be so nice. Way better than what we're at now. My arms are so sunburnt. My face is sunburnt. My neck is sunburnt. It's gonna be a rough weekend. That's all I'm gonna say. There they are. She's so beautiful. She's so hurt.
There he is.
You're gonna miss it, right, Sophia?
Loads and loads. Whoa.
We did it.
Yay! We
Oh,
made
my
it.
nose.
Let me see.
I'm burnt. What were you saying? You'd never do that again?
Yeah, I would never. But it was an experience.
It was something.
If you love pain, you'll love that trail. Poor Tanner got so sunburned.